Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill course channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 5 high-paying skills in 2026. So, let me discuss this topic in this session. So, my number one point is that IoT and Edge Cloud Architect. So, let me discuss this. So, what are the skills required for that? Number one skill you should require for that, you should know the knowledge about C++, about in embedded operating systems, core protocols. Number third, you should also know the hardware and security. So, what are your roles are required for that? So, my number one role you should have to IoT solution architect, and number two role is automation engineering for this particular job. So, what are salary expectation you can take it? So, for the beginner or for the experienced people, the salary range goes up to 28 lakhs to 45 lakhs rupees annually. It's a package for that, entire packages. So, you should get the good salary and good amount of role, and you should also have certain skill about this. So, which are the website for that? So, number one website is Amazon AWS IoT, and number two is that Microsoft Learn in IoT. So, these are two website, online website you can learn from this course from there. Okay. So, my number second point is that ESG strategy and carbon accounting. So, what are key role about that? So, my number one role ESG director. Then number two, you get the role is sustainability consultant. Number three role you should also get is chief sustainability officer. These are the three roles you will get about this kind of job. So what are the key skills required for that? Carbon footprint and modeling, supply chain sustainability. Number third, you should also get the skill about ASB reporting and framework. So these are the key skills you should know about that to getting this kind of jobs. So there are certain highest salary package is that 40 lakhs per annum is a highest salary packages, and minimum should be start in 20 lakhs rupees per annum. So these are the best salary package you should get from this course, okay, or this skill. So my number third is blockchain and smart contract engineering. So which kind of skill you will require for that? Number one skill you should require is that solidity. Number two, you should decentralization of finance. Number third skill required is that Hyperledger frameworks, and number four skill required is that Rust. So these are the skills you are required for this kind of particular course. Okay, and what are the role you are getting from this course? You should have to get the blockchain developer. You will become the blockchain developer. Number second, you will smart contractor. Number third is auditor. Number fourth, you will get the role about Web3 leads. You should have to these four roles you will get from this course. Okay, so the highest salary package are between around these 30 lakhs to up to 55 lakhs rupees per annum. So these are the best for your career role and for your future need. Okay, fourth point is that renewable energy integrations. So what are the key skills required for that? The number one skill is required is that smart grid technology. You should know about the smart grid technology. Number second, you should know about the power systems. Number third, you should know about the skill is battery chemistry. Number fourth, you should know the skill grid storage system. So these are the key skills you should know most about that. And what are the roles you will get required for that? Which kind of role you will get it? So number one, your role is that renewable energy and project manager. Number second, you will go role grid modernization engineering. There are best website for that. Which are the best website to learn this course? The number one website is University of Sydney is the best website for you can learn from this course, and you will get the highest paying salary from here. Salary you can expected. The salary expectation is go about 20 lakhs to 35 lakhs rupees per annum. So it is a best tool for your career and for your future. Okay, the future is your renewable energy. So you should study and for these renewable energy systems. Okay, you will get the best kind of role you can see, and it is a future for your renewable energy. So these are the top highest paying salary in 2026. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video.